Okay, time to take a look at the YIYEIE half-inch torque wrench. Oh, that is nice. So the colors on this thing are absolutely beautiful. It's almost like a goldish bronze. And it's not a white on gold, it's kind of like an off-white, maybe even a gray on gold. So it's very easy to read. But the main thing about this torque wrench is that it is a collar style torque wrench. So instead of having to loosen up a little knob here and then spinning it and then finally getting tightened up, with this one, all you have to do is pull the collar down and then you can adjust it. And then if you get between two numbers, you just get a little spin and it locks in place. So you know you're lined up perfectly. So you can see on the top, we are foot-pounds. And if we rotate it around, we have Newton meters. And then we have two rings here. So this back ring is Newton meters and the top ring is foot-pounds. So if I wanted to go to, we'll say 62 foot-pounds. Right now we're at 60, at 61. 62. And this goes all the way up to 160 foot-pounds. So quite a lot of torque if you need it, which is equivalent to about 227.0 Newton meters. It has a nice big half-inch drive on it with fairly smooth feeling teeth. It is also reversible, so you can go the other way. And it is a push-button release. So you push that in, that drops that detent in, so you can drop those sockets off. Always nice to have that. That way you can drop sockets off one-handed. You don't have to have two hands, one to pull it off. Now, one of the cooler things about this set is it comes with a couple of extras. So we have an adapter. So if the socket you need to use is 3/8, we can go from that 1/2 inch to 3/8. And we have an extension. It has a nice normal grip on here. So if we need to, we can spin those just with our fingers. And that is 1/2 inch to 1/2 inch. And it is about almost 5 inches in total length. It's a little over 12 centimeters. So what's cool about that is I can put my socket on this extension, get that tightened up with a regular tool. And then when it comes time to torque it, all I have to do is pop that off, pop this on, and I can keep on going. So very nice to have all that. And with the instructions, we also have a certificate of calibration. So when they set it to 32 foot-pounds, they got a reading of 31.98, 32.30, 31.94. So this is a super accurate torque wrench at 32. When we set it to 96, got 96.79, 96.75, 97.22. Again, extremely accurate. 160, got 161.72, 161.26, 160.87. So all of these numbers are extremely accurate. Like I wouldn't even bother worrying about some kind of an offset if I needed to get an exact torque. This is just extremely accurate. But more importantly, it's just nice to know that somebody actually looked at it to make sure that this torque wrench is in spec. I think 160 for this bolt?
Yeah, easy.
See if I can even pull 160. Oh, God. There we go. She clicks with 160.